Hi, Cindy here, and welcome to my channel CB Webworks, where we review and discuss the latest digital software and courses to hit the marketing niche. So, whether you're into search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, or email marketing, or whatever your marketing niche is, each week we'll be reviewing a variety of the latest trending products that you can start using today to help streamline your online business and basically take it to the next level. So, in today's review, we'll be looking at a product called Lanci, which just dropped yesterday. It just launched. And what is Lanci all about? In a nutshell, Lanci has cracked the ClickBank algorithm, and it lets you create passive income day in and day out by really utilizing the power of AI. So, this software doesn't just find you the right products to promote on ClickBank. It also puts a twist on your typical keyword research in that it actually goes and creates these targeted affiliate type blog posts around your keywords with your affiliate link embedded throughout the post. And then the software goes on top of that and finds you hyper targeted buyer traffic, which it sends to your affiliate blog pages using syndication. So, as an affiliate marketer, if you have ever gone through all the steps from researching to products to promote, to building landing pages and then trying to get traffic to your page, then you know just how time consuming and sometimes frustrating this process can be. So, with Lanci, you're basically getting all this heavy lifting done for you, and this is a real time saver. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek inside the members area where you'll be able to see step by step some of the easy to follow tutorials that you can find within the Lanci site. Okay, so here we are now inside of the actual Lanci app. You'll see here on your left hand side the navigation page. It has the dashboard, your sites. And right now we're actually on the tutorials page. As I mentioned, they do provide nice robust training here inside of Lanci with really easy to follow step-by-step demo videos for you to really follow the steps and put everything together quite quickly. So we have the Lanci app and ClickBank overview, how to create ClickBank, your ClickBank account, how to create subdomains on Lanci, finding domain names that match your ClickBank niche, how to customize your site appearance on Lanci, how to search for products, selecting suitable products for you, and the list goes on in terms of all the tutorials that you can find within the Lanci app. Hi, so here we are again back on my bonus page, and what I want to do really quickly before I take you over to see Lanci in action is to just really tell you quickly about some of the really amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you when you purchase Lanci through my link in the description box below. Another thing to keep in mind, if you are able to purchase the upsell, or purchase any of the upsells, I would highly recommend going for upsell number 1, which is called unlimited, because basically you get everything unlimited. Unlimited buyer traffic, unlimited leads, unlimited usage, unlimited subdomains, unlimited research, content, and so much more. So if you're really looking to jump in and jumpstart your affiliate program today, I would recommend picking up the upsell number 1, which is $37, and that's Lanci Unlimited. So scrolling down, we'll just get to bonus number 1 quickly, valued at over $400, which just gives you access to the software Insurgency. You also get access to bonus number 2, valued at $46, which is basically a tutorial that guides you through how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. Bonus number 3, valued again at over $300, you're getting another bonus tutorial where you learn how to get better conversions. And then on to bonus number 4, valued at over $200, And with this, you get access to the software continuum. Finally, bonus number 5, and this is a special bonus when you take action today. So you'll get a special bonus, and on top of that, you also have access to all of the vendor bonuses as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you over to get basically a bird's eye view from the creator of Lanci, who is Tommy Bacardi, and he'll basically walk you through Lanci and give you an overview of his product.
Hi, this is Tommy Bacardi and welcome to the demo video of our new software called Lanci app. So what is the Lanci app? In a nutshell, Lanci app is a software that enables users to instantly find the best-selling ClickBank product in real time and then promote, syndicate, and profit just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Software find out the best-selling product in any niche in real time by just entering a keyword. Step 2. Lanci find the content to match, create target and helpful posts, and embed user affiliate links. Step 3. Syndicate targeted content across multiple platforms and drive a lot of free traffic for you. Let's go ahead and see how the Lanci app works. You can see I'm in the dashboard of Lanci app. I already logged in with my user ID. Here the first thing you have to do is you have to select your subdomain. Let's go ahead and select our subdomain is demo LS. I want to start my website and an affiliate marketing niche. I decide the site title is affiliate marketing tip. If you have to put your ClickBank idea is LS 101. If you don't know how to create a ClickBank idea, you can create one. I have added a tutorial for you over here. Here you can select your niche. I'm going to choose e-business and e-marketing. Click here on e-business and e-marketing. Click on generate my site. Now you can see my site is already created. It will take some time, a few minutes to set up the subdomain and activate everything. You already create your site demols.lanciapp.com. You can go ahead and edit your site as you want. Simply click on the dashboard, choose the subdomain demo LS and then click on the appearance. In there you can choose the site layout. You can customize the feel and the look of your website. Let's move to the product research function. Here I'm in the dashboard. Go to my site that I create with the subdomain demo LS. Let's go ahead and start with the product research. Click on the product research. Step 1, here you have to put your keyword. So I'm gonna put affiliate marketing in my keyword. I will click on search. Now software will give me every single product that's available on ClickBank with the details. So like how much commission you can make, what is the average dollar per sale, average review and all that stuff, what is the gravity, every single thing the software gives, and you can decide which one to promote. Let's go ahead and promote this product. Step number 2, enter your keyword in the post research. I'm gonna put the affiliate marketing and we have to now search on for field. On the search post field, now you can see here many articles let you read your keyword. Let's go here and edit this one. Click on edit and post. Here you can see the short list post over here. We will just go and click on the save and publish and post is added successfully. You can scroll up, click on the review on the top right corner to see how the post look like. Or you can go here again in the dashboard, click on my site, click on the subdomain demo LS, click on post. Click on URL. Here you can see how the post look like. You can check your page now. When you click and your page is ready, it will look like this, how your ClickBank website will look like. Whenever someone click on any of the posts, you can see here the banner image button. This promote relevant product and banner image button is embedded with your affiliate link. When someone click on this button and purchase product, you will get commission. So this is how the Lanci app works. That is awesome, right? But we're not done yet. Your create content can be syndicated across 50 high traffic platforms. When you combine this traffic with more product promote and more promotion content, there is only one outcome, commission for you. Here how it works. Go to my site, go to subdomain name, and here's my demo LS. Click on post. Here you will see all posts I create. You can click on any arrow under the URL that open specific URL link for the post create. Let's pick the first post. Click on view under the syndication. It will pop up the different traffic platforms that you can choose to share your post. That is how to get the free target traffic from 50 platforms. That means more target traffic flow in and more conversion for you. What do you think of automation? What I mean by that is user can set the keyword, enable the Lanci system to check the relay post and content according to set schedule, and then create user embed link and post. Everything is automated, done for you, set and forget it. Here how it works. Go to my site. Under the my subdomain name is demo alias. There is the tab called automation. Click on that. I already scheduled some keyword I like to have Lanci system automatically. They also work for me. You can click on create new automation there on the top pop up to let you enter in the keyword. Choose the number of posts and time. Let you the keyword affiliate marketing number post as the time range is once a day and click on create. Here the Lanci system will check the keyword affiliate marketing for relay posts and content according to my schedule. Is once a day for 2 posts. That also embed my affiliate link inside of each post. All is automated by Lanci and you don't have to touch anything. All you need to do is sit back and enjoy with your automated commission coming. That's it for now. I hope you can see how great the Lanci app can make a commission for you on autopilot. Thanks for watching.